With this app, whenever you receive a message and the sender deletes the message, you will still get to recover and read the message. Even if it is a picture, video, audio, voice note, or a GIF, it doesn't matter. This app will recover it. Head to the store now and download this app. It recovers deleted messages. Install it, open, give the necessary permissions and notification access so that this app can function very well. You can monitor as many apps as you want, but we are interested in WhatsApp business, so we are selecting WhatsApp business. This is how it works. You receive a message, the message gets deleted. This app will definitely recover it with the person's name, the time the message was sent, and of course the date. Allow notification access. Whenever you launch this app, here in the notification history, if there is any message that has been deleted, the message will be stored here. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.